Well, the second day of jury selection is underway today in Highland County Common Pleas Court in the capital murder trial of Wesley Coonrod, the Greenfield man who is charged in the death of his two young sons.
Now, during that time, you will, again, you cannot be talking on the cell phone or having any communications with anybody or discussing the matter in any way. You can talk about anything you want to, except the case.
The court is continuing to weed through hundreds of potential jurors in order to seat the necessary 12 jurors and 6 alternates who will be seated at next week's trial. Today, many of the questions in the voir dire sessions focused on mitigation or the sentencing process. Jury candidates were asked if they opposed the death penalty, or on the other hand, if they felt that the death penalty was the only appropriate punishment in any type of murder scenario. Potential jurors were asked whether or not they felt they could consider what the defense called mitigating circumstances, such as Wesley Coonrod's psychological condition and his background. They were also asked whether or not they felt that the mitigating circumstances could change the potential sentence. The court has said that if Coonrod is found guilty of aggravated murder with a capital specification, the trial will move into the mitigation phase, or the sentencing phase, in which the jury will be responsible to determine the appropriate sentence. Wesley Coonrod was indicted in April on 2 charges of aggravated murder with capital specification. He was also indicted on charges of aggravated arson and child endangering following the March 7th fire that killed his 2 young sons, 4-year-old Thomas and 3-year-old Stephen Coonrod. The trial is set to begin Monday at 8 o'clock.